Okay, all of you open your textbook. All of you open your textbook. Page number 4. Page number 4, all of you. Open your textbook to page number 4. Biggest, smallest. Page biggest, smallest. Page number 4 akan to biggest the smallest biggest and it's one result of the biggest to alien still pahin dolari pahi I come on compare to the alien there's the biggest and it's one smallest and it's one a table sina a table a table sina empty but alone tadi which one is the biggest and which one is the say the anything no that biggest smallest now textbook question can solve no let's solve the textbook question and up page number 4 tree there are 3 trees. Take the smallest tree at the smallest and it's one a table tick to which one is the smallest tick a table and tick a tree takkan tingkunga takkan take the smallest tree at the which one is the smallest a table and tick have you finished? A table 2. The first one is the smallest, isn't it? A table 2. This one is the smallest one. Now, next, there are 3 animals. The first one is a dog, second one is cat, and the last one is elephant. Now read the question. Achungami a question katsier zel to a changton smallest nianga a changton biggest nidona a question katsier tel zel to a chumche kan role. Take the biggest animal adita a biggest nito chuan alien verso inani which one is the biggest one? Alien berle. Alien bird 2, which one? Tick roll alien bird in share can tick to
Elephant.
okay. Tick him. Okay, the biggest one is alien bird. The biggest one is elephant. So 111 you tick it. Tick roll. Now next question. Next question. A question ka in enlenga take the smallest fruit at the which one is the smallest one? Take it again. Now do it by yourself. A table smallest one. And tick the The smallest one is, have you finished? The smallest one is this one, cherry. Alem when ma'am a senva but that one is the smallest one. There.
Inside.
Now next bubble le til hampur kan ma'am til hampur bubble ka achunga khana question khan internet rumla take the biggest one alien berti na kantika. Now which one is the biggest one? Tick it again and tick it. Alien bird tick it. Alien bird two hey aham puar dot chemi this one hemi alien bird imutemo kami takha in tick this one. Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Now, so one become biggest, the smallest can so up next page. Now we will go to the next page. There is page number 5. Page number 5 page number 5 button smallest and biggest consist on top left top left bottom top and bottom. You're going to learn top and bottom. Top 2 achung soinaria bottom one achung
Eight ka double low tour.
Achung soinaria bottom one and why soina top one achung bottom one and why the textbook ka alem ka no le alem ba ka ni ein sheet fira ma dot per sheet lem kan muan slide kan muan do you see the slide slide ta po khan slide ta khan lien suma tu le slide ta khan no pang lem open muan sam kir deu kha ka athut na kha top top achung athut na kha top ania achung soina ni Suan heta ganin slide chona oma slide chona ombula no pang din naka slide atranchon heta anway om tatro that is bottom anway soina ni heta Suan elokan en leula tree kan en leula look at the tree. Do you see the bird? Do you see the bird? Savalem kan savalem ka tu top aoma top su achung soina kan tika achung aoma chuan cat kai mulem cat ka tribun omka that cat is sitting at the bottom isn't it at bottom kan thuni le an huai ka en le ula tik tu rom le ta tik tu ra kan top le bottom kan tik tu kan ti chop tu rom le ta chuan le a question ka chia ro le a chunga khan a question no ka tick the pot on the top where do you see that one tick the pot on the top pot chu enge bel kai muam bel lum ka bel pathu mo ma ai cher chuan ta tro ne pot pathu mai cher chuan ta chuan tick the pot at the top atita top chu achung ber soina nia ko ngin tick don le achung ber ka ting do top ani chuan ka top ani That is the top two at cần phải có. Have you finished? Đâu đấy? Tích tụ chú.
Yes, sir.
In tích tụ chú này. Bê lem cái mà. Bê lem á chúng bề này. Top có chúng bề đó. Top. Now, áp biệt chia các em này đâu đấy? Áp biệt chia các em đâu đó? Áp biệt chia các question các chia tu rồi, question các chia tu. Question các chia rồi đó. Tick the animal at the bottom there. That's animal panino ma bottom two and why step why on stairs right where on with the it is the bottom bottom kan để bottom kan chiên tòn tro top chú dia kan ti ha chúng soi na nia chuan bottom chú at nuai soi na now next page kan em le ro le next page in so to chuan all of you if you finish we can go to the next page. Next page has one nearer farther consider on nearer and farther. Textbook này đâu đấy? Tích tụ nó để nó đó. Như chế mô quay một. Như là textbook the bird near Titani. Kapan itu akan naik katik Jordani. And the bird nearer to home. In which one is the nearer one? Pink.
The bird nearer to home. If the bird nearer to home, if the bird in his like dog, so it's the bird here like pink, orange,
sạch lắm mọi người theo how to ngày sạch
Sẵn rồi.
nè còn đuôi các người đâu nè Tick vector further Bueno, so, kita ko, ama sabihin na kita niya. Look, we pay now. We pay Tuna kan zira trangkhan biggest smallest trangkhan assignment tool kan copy le ga koi po ka hin ko se ba so in assignment ka paper ma so paper in chan ka in ming in sia ka so date in sia bo ka WhatsApp pa kanon ka kanon project jo je na chuan file no da project book to file in da chuna school ka le kan check do na ni chuan an submit do na ni chuan miss ma muni pula WhatsApp in kan submit on kina group ka ron da le na in assignment to copy you have to copy your assignment
Tên là ra lại bị kìa. Tôi từng chia kinh nghiệm như từng chia
There is smallest group then And why better than Juan in front landscape and simple a full screen landscape
Đấu mệt khổ đấu hóa lượng thầy lên
đây rồi thì khai bật chính
Okay, those who finish, we have to wait for your friends. Okay, don't you? No, we will wait for your friends. Zolo, next question, the smallest size biggest. You're right here, biggest.
Next question.
tiền giờ dẫn động tiền nó dẫn lại cái bạn tiền bán tiền
Nakina video WhatsApp group post
capital mang cái thì
It's small.
Oh, he's small. Thế đổi lọc ở nhà. One. For the one. 1 4 1 Candy tila.
Okay, let's submit home to there. And to now, what's the part? Of course, one now.
Ziak thầy lâu reng bị đắng thâu kia thì gần là
Anyone in the not pin roll for
vâng về thầy lâu về
Okay. We will continue with the next class. Next class, I will continue. Oh, that's all for today. Bye bye.
Bye bye.